Hello, in this video, we will be comparing Miro and Notion, two top tools for organizing work and ideas. So for Miro, it is a collaborative whiteboard where you can map out ideas, design workflows, and brainstorm with your team in real time. Notion is a flexible productivity workspace and you can create documents, databases, wikis, to-do lists, and so on, and just all in one place. So you will use Miro if you're a visual thinker who prefers sticky notes, mind maps, and drawing your plans. Use Notion if you want structure, tables, checklists, links, and detailed pages you can nest and organize. They actually can work well together. You can plan in Miro and document in Notion. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.